If you've seen other videos I've been teaching already, and I've taught chords in the key of G, key of C, and the key of D. And in this video, I'm going to teach you the chords in the key of A using the musical alphabet and the Nashville numbering system. My name's Shelly Dubois. I am a singer, songwriter, recording artist, and entertainer, and I've been doing this for over 50 years. And throughout those years, I've been teaching people how to play the guitar. Before we get started, first thing I'd like you to do is make sure that your guitar is in tune. If you don't know how to tune your guitar, I'll put a link up here to a video that I did that teaches you how to tune your guitar using a guitar tuner. You need to train your ear properly, that you know what the strings and the chords are all supposed to sound like. You don't want it to be out of tune, because nobody wants to hear an out of tune guitar. I will also be using the musical alphabet and the Nashville numbering system to show how the 4 chords in each key signature that come about. And if you want a better understanding of that, I've also done a video about that, and I'll put a link up here as well. And but throughout this video, I will also be explaining the musical alphabet and the Nashville numbering system. And thirdly, if you are just coming across this video and want to learn the chords in the key of A, and you're still a new guitarist, but don't know what your finger numbers are, your fret numbers, or your string numbers, because I'm going to be referring to all of those when I teach the chords, I've done a video about that as well, and the link is up above that you can refer to that. So chords in the key of A. First, we're going to use our musical alphabet, which is A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Using that alphabet, we're going to determine the 4 chords in the key of A. So starting with the A chord, which is our root. Our 4th chord is the D chord. And the 5th chord is E. And the 6th chord, which is the relative minor, is an F sharp minor. So A, it's the beginning of the musical alphabet. So A is the root. So this is how you get this chord. You're going to put your first finger on the 4th string in the 2nd fret, the 2nd finger on the 3rd string in the 2nd fret right underneath, and then you have to squeeze in your 3rd finger on the 2nd string in the 2nd fret. And they all go in there, and that is A. That is your root chord. Now, using the musical alphabet to determine how we get to A, you're going to count from A, and you're going to go up 4. So you go A, B, C, D. And so that's how you get D as your next chord. Making the D chord, you're going to put your first finger on the 3rd string in the 2nd fret, your 2nd finger on the 1st string in the 2nd fret, and your 3rd finger on the 2nd string in the 3rd fret. And with the D chord, you only strum from 5 down. You don't want to strum that 6th string, that just doesn't sound right. So we're going to mute that string and just strum from 5th string down. So we got A as your 1 or your root, and then you got your D as your 4, and in the musical alphabet after D is E, so that is your 5. You're going to put your first finger on the 3rd string in the 1st fret, your 2nd finger on the 5th string in the 2nd fret, and your 3rd finger goes on the 4th string in the 2nd fret as well. And you're going to strum all the strings. And that's E. So you got A as your 1, D is your 4, E is your 5. And after E comes F. That's your 6, which is the relative minor. And because it's the key of E, there's some musical theory behind this. In that key signature, F is a sharp. So it's F sharp minor. Now this is, as for a beginner guitarist, this is going to be a hard chord for you, and it's going to take some time to get this. There is no easy way to do this chord. This is the way it's done. So this is F sharp minor. That's how it sounds. Even I get a little. So you got to take your first finger and you're going to cover up 4 strings, three or 4. Just get your fingers across in that 2nd fret, all the way across. And so now what I'm doing is I'm really bringing in my elbow, and I have my thumb on the back of the guitar, but I also have a space underneath here so that I can reach up to my 5th string in the 4th fret with my 3rd finger. And then the 4th string, I put on my 4th finger in the 4th fret. and you strum. You gotta squeeze really hard to get that sound. You'll probably get this for a while, and it's not going to be pleasant, but that's F sharp minor. So a little review, you got your root or your 1, that's A. The 4 is D. The 5 is E. And the 6 is your minor, F sharp minor. So rewind, keep working through those chords until you get them. And once you have them and you're comfortable with, how they sound, I would like you to do this exercise where you're just strumming through so you get used to changing from chord to chord to chord. So starting with A, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, go to D, 1, 2, 3, 4, go to E, 1, 2, 3, 4, F sharp minor, 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat that again. A, 1, 2, 3, 4, D, 1, 2, 3, 4, E, 1, 2, 3, 4, and F sharp minor, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, the chords aren't always played in that pattern. Many different songs have many different patterns. So just to teach you the basic 4 and get an understanding of the 1, 4, 5, and 6, then I just use A, D, E, and F sharp minor. So once you get those chords and keep practicing over and over again, it's muscle memory. So you have to keep practicing, and it's good to do it like 15 minutes a day at least. And the goal is to 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Is to move from chord to chord easily to get those strums in. So those are your chords in the key of A. If you like this video, please like and share and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video.